N-Odes is an interactive installation where a group of robots collectively responds to your movement. This group has no leader, what roboticists call distributed or swarm intelligence. Each node is a responsive robot equipped with sensors and LEDs. As you tilt or rotate it, its orientation gives rise to unique patterns of color and sound across the whole network. At the group level, this mirrors the flow of information through a swarm. Each node's change subtly influences its neighbors, creating network-wide patterns. Your actions ripple through the swarm, creating transient moments of harmony, divergence, or rhythm. The installation offers an experiential entry point into collaborative awareness. How shared patterns emerge from simple interactions. N-Odes invites visitors to join in and play their part in the network.